Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back. My name is Drew, and today I'm talking about this super cool vintagey camera strap. I have this really cool Canon AE-1 film camera that I have been shooting film with. I actually just dropped off my first roll to be developed, so I'm excited to share that with y'all. But we're going to take a look at this vintage camera strap that I think is the best priced one. It's a brand called Tarion, and it's on Amazon for less than like $10. I think I got it for somewhere between 5 or 6, and they come in a bunch of different colors. They come in like this kind of dark gray with the brown straps that I got. They also have like a black version, a tan version, so you can easily check it out for yourself. I just kind of wanted to find something different than the normal Canon strap, that kind of black with the red Canon, which is fine. I have that on the really old Rebel T1 or whatever. It's a great camera strap, but this one just feels, it just feels cool. Like, I wanted something that kind of fits with the vibe of the vintage camera, and it's really nice and sturdy against my back if I want to hold the camera still, because it's very important with film that you hold the camera still. But sometimes I just like to pose with the camera in shots like this one, and sometimes you want to like have a pretty cool aesthetic in the shot. And so if I had had this strap at the time, I would have been wearing it. So I'm looking forward to going out and shooting with it. It just came in, so I wanted to pop up a quick video. Nothing too crazy or fancy in this one. I just wanted to show it to you. I thought it was really cool for the price. So I think it's the best priced vintage camera strap that you can find, at least on Amazon. So I've linked it for you down below for you to go and check out. If you like what you saw, let me know in the comments what you think of this camera strap, or if you've got other suggestions for ones that you think are really cool or fancy, drop those in the comments. Give this video a like if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more cool vintagey stuff, design, and then as I get more rolls developed, I'm gonna be sharing those with you all, which is exciting. And so yeah, thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video.